Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video on my channel, and this is a video about chart analysis of of Bank Nifty and Nifty in today's session, right? Because I'm going to tell you where I took entry and where I marked my target and everything. As you can see. From my screen that I am a CPR and pivot points trader. I used CPR, pivot points, and price action to determine my entry and exit. And I only trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I do not trade stocks. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, previous day it was a narrow CPR day, right? But today it's a wide CPR, and I've already marked my important levels, PDL and PDH, and also marked some important levels from higher time frame. But since today is it was a wide CPR day, so I I take my entry near CPR only. So as you can see, it made a big bullish candle but faced rejection from CPR, but immediately it broke the second candle broke it, and it started coming down. So I did not take any trade by this time. I was looking for the price. Okay, I was looking for the price to come either days high, so I can go for a short entry, or days low, so I can go for a long entry. Now, whenever I take trade, I always go for three confirmation, at least 2 to 3 confirmation before taking a trade. Because if I you know if I'm willing to take a trade, and if I could not be very convinced about my entry, then I would avoid that entry. Okay, and you can see here I have a setup in which if CPR, central pivot, acts as a resistance or support, I immediately go short or go long. But I did not take my entry in this candle, reason being because it could not hold as support. You can see this red candle already broke the support of CPR, so it could not hold it as support. And this green candle broke the resistance of CPR, so I did not take any trade. I was only relying on, I made my mind, and I only relied on days low and days high. See, if you had gone long here, then see, you already got your stop loss. So always check for 2 to 3 confirmation before taking a trade. Now, the first entry, as I mentioned earlier, I was looking to enter uh, at days high for a short entry, and I entered here, and my profit target was days low. I booked my profit. And now I was looking for a long entry. Why? Because can you see this previous day at the same level it was, uh, it was it consolidated, and then Bank Nifty went up. So I was looking for this level to either break downside or face support and go up again, and I go long. So yeah, I went long here, but because I thought that now Nifty is going to go up, because I had three confirmation, because it's a doji candle, uh, and this green candle was my confirmation. So, but I see my stop loss got hit, but I was sure about this entry, so I re-entered, and this time I booked my target. Yeah, after this candle, I waited for this candle, for more candles to. Now I entered in this candle and booked my profit here. And again it went down, and this time the chances were so high for this level to break. Why? Because it already tested twice, once, second, and this was a third. So for retest entry, it was also a good entry, but I did not take this trade. I stopped trading for the day.